Good evening for everyone. Myself, Rehan Khan from 2nd BTech. Today I am here to discuss about industrial halons and fire extinguishers. Introduction to industrial halons and fire extinguishers. Basically, halons are chemical compounds used primarily in fire suspension systems due to their effectiveness and clean agent properties. The widespread use of halons in fire extinguishers began in the mid of 20th century, especially for sensitive electronic equipment. Industry understanding their environmental and health impacts is essential evaluating their historical and current significance. Now, composition and function of halons. Basically, halons are bromated or chlorinated derivatives of hydrocarbons such as halons 1301. They work by interrupting the chemical reaction within a fire, effectively suppressing flames without residue. Actually, nowadays we are using in such a buildings and so many places fire extinguishers in emergency purpose. If if accidentally any fire will come in building, it will very helps. Their rapid extinguishing ability made them popular for use in aircraft, data centers, and military applications. Advantages of halons in fire suppression. Halons are highly efficient in extinguishing fires quickly, often within seconds. They leave no residue, making them sustainable for protecting sensitive electronic and electrical equipment. Their gaseous nature allow for rapid depression and coverage in encouraging the spaces and ensuring safety. Environmental and health concerns. Halons are ozone depleting substances contributing significantly to the depletion of the stratotropic ozone layer. Their widespread use led to environmental concerns and increased regulations under international threats like the Montreal Protocol. Exposure to halons can cause health issues such as respiratory and neurological effects in humans. Like it, it is a disadvantages if by it we cause respiratory problems. Regulatory response and phase out. The Montreal Protocol, adapted in 1987, targeted the phase out of ozone depleting halons globally. Many countries implemented bans or restrictions on the production and use of halons in new fire suppression systems. Existing halon systems are often being replaced with environmental friendly alternatives such as FM200 or inert gas systems. Case study on impact and transaction. Industries heavily reliant on halon based fire suppressions faced challenges during the transaction to alternative ages. The phase out led to increased research and development of new eco-friendly fire suspension technologies. Despite environmental concerns, halons were effective, highlighting need to balance safety with sustainability. Conclusion and future outlook. The widespread use of halons in fire extinguishers demonstrated their effectiveness but raised significant environmental issues. Transitioning to sustainable alternatives is crucial for reducing ozone depletion while maintaining first safety. Ongoing research aims to develop more environmental being engines that match the performance of halons. References: United Nations Environment Programme of 2018, the Montreal Protocol on Substances that Deplete the Ozone Layer, EPA 2020, Halon Fires fire extinguishers phase out and alternatives. NOAA 2019 Environmental Impact of Halons and Fire Suspension Technologies. And this topic is mapping with this third goal of sustainable development goals. It is third goal is good health and well. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Have a nice day.